How to back up chat on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can back up your chat on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device, and on this homepage, you will see various icons at the left sidebar. At the very bottom, you will see three horizontal lines. Click on that three horizontal lines to access the menu. Under the menu, at the first, you will see Migrate and Backup option. Click on this and you will be presented with two options. Click on that Backup and Restore option. Then again, you will be presented with two options, whether you want to back up on your PC or restore on your phone. Click on one of these options based on your preference. After clicking on it, you will have to confirm on your phone to start your backup. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device, and once you click on this backup option, here on your mobile device, you will get this window. At the bottom, you will see Start button. Click on that Start option and wait for a while, and then you have successfully backed up your chat on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.